What's up, everybody? We got some fun new products to install today. Kemimoto was kind enough to send me some door handles from Max 3 to get rid of those pull cables. So let's open this thing up, see what we got in the bag. Look at those things. Just some metal door handles. Looks like it comes with some hardware to get them bolted on there. Hopefully this will be a fairly easy and straightforward install. Gonna go ahead and get right into it, start putting them on the machine. All you're gonna need is a T30. I'm gonna use an impact with an 8mm, but if you had just a ratchet with an 8mm. You can see we got the door open. We got the factory red pull handle, which no one likes. It's kind of hard to get to, and you have to pull on it really hard to pop open the door latch. I have to help my friends open the door all the time. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take out this one T30 bolt right here. That cover just slides right off. Not gonna need that anymore, so get rid of that. Me personally, I'm gonna put the bolt back in here just in case I ever want to mount anything else on the door, and so that this little clip doesn't rattle off when we're riding. But if you don't think you're gonna mount anything there, you can always just pull the clip off and get rid of it. For the next part, we're gonna drill out this little rivet. So sometimes the rivet starts spinning while you're trying to drill it. So I always take a set of pliers, put it on the back side of the rivet, and then you can get back to drilling. Easy as that. All right, final step here. We're gonna take these two bolts, put them in from the back side, take your door handle, slide her on there, and then take your two nuts, put them on there. A little mechanic trick for y'all. Instead of trying to get an Allen on the back side of this, we have basically no room. If you hold a little bit of downward pressure while you lightly tap in on that with the impact, they'll go right in. See if we can do this with one hand for y'all. Just like that. Got it all the way snugged up. Ta-da! Super easy, couple minute install. And now, when you're outside the vehicle, really easy to reach in, get it unlatched. Really good quality product. It's not super heavy, blends in well. I like it. Again, huge shout out to Kemimoto. I appreciate you sending me the product for review. I definitely think it's a much better way of opening the doors than the crappy little pull ropes. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm going to throw a link in the description if y'all want to buy them, and I hope y'all have a good day.